Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you watching for the first time today, my name is Maria Bella and this is my beauty YouTube channel. Today's Boxycharm is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to merge two videos together because I have been super uber busy and I don't want you guys to miss out. So here it is. So here is my October Boxycharm. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what came inside, and I'm going to go over each one of the products because I've actually already used them on my face, and there are some products that I cannot use on my face. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is the Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask by BRIOGEO, something like that. It says, "Don't despair, repair." I actually like this. It left my hair really soft and moisturized after I got out of the shower, so I can't wait to try this again. This is the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette by the brand Purr. It has some face powders and then it also has eyeshadow powders. I went ahead and used this eyeshadow to try it out. I did do a swatch on the back of my hand for all of the shadows, these, and I will go ahead and add the picture right here. I used this one, it's called Mask Off, and I put it right here, right in the middle of my eyeshadow, kind of like a halo. And at first I thought it was going to be glittery and in your face, but I realized that it's a very subtle gold. It's not even a glittery gold. It's kind of like a toned down, almost matte. Like, it's weird. It doesn't really shine like glitter. So my final thought on this eyeshadow palette, I actually love most of these. The only one that I was kind of not liking was this one right here. The only matte color in the eyeshadow palette really just did not go with me. I felt like it was chalky. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it and then I will let you guys know. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it and hopefully my opinion changes. But as of hand swatching, I didn't like it. I'm using this color right here. It is called Twilight in my inner corner. And I feel like it actually pops really nicely. It's like a subtle pop, but I really like it. So I give this eyeshadow palette a huge thumbs up. I really liked this. The next item in the bag was, hold on, let me get the packaging. I've already opened all of this. Okay, the next item in the bag is this IT mascara. It's called Superhero. If you've used the Benefit mascara, the black and like pink one, and you love that one, you will not like this one. I used it and it worked. You know, I have it on my eyes right now. But I didn't really like the wand. I didn't really like how it applied on there. If you try to go over it several times, it does start to get clumpy. I did not like that whatsoever. So this is all right to me. The next item in the bag is this lipstick I'm wearing right here. Now this is a matte lipstick, but it is moisturizing, it is non-drying, and I love it. It is not long lasting though. Just heads up. If you eat or drink water with this, it will eventually start to rub off, so just beware. This is the lipstick from Kat Von D, and it is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bone Arrow. It looks like a very light brown, but when you put it on here, it does start to darken a little. I have no complaints with this one. I absolutely love this liquid lipstick. I've never tried Kat Von D, and now I kind of want all of her lipsticks. So that's that. I did save one item to do on camera with you guys, and that is this AHAVA Active Dead Sea Minerals Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. It says water on the side. I don't know why I keep saying water. And I'm going to go ahead and try it right now. On the back, it says approved for sensitive skin. This luxury rich hand cream drenches your skin in velvet smoothness. Apply liberally anytime. Okay. It has a very mild smell. Not like in your face. Oh wait, hold on. No, it has a strong scent. Not like super strong. I can't smell it like this, or like this. I can smell it. It smells like a perfume, like they literally dumped a perfume inside the hand cream. This is actually really soft. Usually hand creams dry out by now, but this is still kind of like, I don't know. I feel like I like it. We will see. So go ahead and click the description bar below at the end of this video so that you can be updated and know whether or not I really like this hand cream. As of right now, it feels really cool, but you never know with allergies and stuff like that. So click the description bar below, hit that notification bell as well, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.